Hey folks, Fast Freddy D here. We're on the Oswegatchie River. We're checking out site 36. 36, as you can see, the water's really high, so this isn't how the normal landing would be, but this is pretty crappy. The trail, almost non-existent, getting in here. Yeah, I don't think this is used very often. It's got a deer trail right through the middle of it, if that's a bonus, if you're a deer hunter. There's a deer trail right through the middle of the site, Mark. There's another place to land your canoe right there. Well, there's a couple of spots. No, actually, it's not bad, but it's wet in here. So you'd have a spot over there to put your tent. You could have a fire in the middle, and I mean, like I said, it doesn't look like it's used much. I don't see any signs of a privy, and no luxuries whatsoever. There's a couple of decent trees here that you may be able to hang a hammock. Doesn't even really look like a good site for a hammock, but I mean, any port in a storm. I don't like this site. I get a big thumbs down for number 36 on the Oswegatchie. If you like this type of video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you later.